Hi, grammar lovers. Welcome to Quizzot. Can you pass the English grammar test? Can you score 25/25? Let's see how many do you get correct. I made him it again. Can you fix it? The correct answer is to do it again. Grammar test time. She has lived here 2012. What fills the blank? You guessed it, it's since. He didn't know the answer, Let's see how sharp you are. The correct tag is did. Each of the players a locker. Choose wisely, only one fits. And that's has. I would rather you now. Be fast. Which one sounds right? Subscribe us for more new knowledge. The answer is left. Can you fix this? She speaks English more than me. Comment how many did you get right. Time's up, it's fluently. It's high time we, grammar lovers, test your brain. What do you want to know more? Share with me your ideas. The answer is went. He to the gym every morning. Think carefully, follow for more quizzes. Yes, it goes. I wish I taller. Classic grammar moment. The correct answer is were. She sings than her sister. Tricky one, got it right? The answer is more sweetly. Like this quiz if you know it. I prefer tea___ coffee. What's the word? It's two. Grammar fans, comment your guess. There are a lot of traffic today. The right choice is. Grammar fans, he is afraid spiders. Like this if you answered of.